Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete text boxes. So if you want to delete text boxes in Google Slide, here's a quick method on how to get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to locate the text boxes that you want to delete. So in my slide, I actually want to delete this particular text boxes. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 text boxes. So if I want to delete one out of it, you have to make sure you click on the box you want to delete. So I'm just going to click on this particular one. Then if you want to delete it, make sure you tap on this blue line, because if you just tap like this, if you tap on it too, it will not show you an option to delete the text boxes. So instead, you have to slightly tap on the boxes and make sure move straight to this blue line right on the screen. Then from there, right click. I'm just going to do it again. There, right click, then tap on delete. You can see that is a quick step or a quick tip on how to delete text boxes in Google Slides. If any video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.